Viewers, we're learning that the Muslim side in the Bhojshala dispute, Kamal Maula Masjid Committee, has filed an appeal in the Supreme Court now against the decision of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. Remember, it was the Madhya Pradesh High Court that declared the disputed complex as a temple dedicated to goddess Vagdevi or goddess Saraswati. The High Court had also struck down a 2003 ASI arrangement that allowed the Muslims to offer Friday prayers, ruling that Hindus have the exclusive rights now to worship at the site. The High Court Division bench cited historical literature, archaeological material, and also architectural evidence. Let's go across to Harish to give us more details on this. Harish, so now the Muslim side has finally moved to the Supreme Court. What exactly is the argument that they are presenting to counter the High Court's decision or the High Court's order?
Yes, that's right. The Bhojshala dispute has now reached the Supreme Court with the Muslim side in the Bhojshala dispute, Kamal Maula Masjid Committee filing an appeal in the Supreme Court against decision of the Madhya Pradesh High Court declaring the disputed Bhojshala Kamal Maula Mosque in Dhar a temple dedicated to goddess Vagdevi, that is Saraswati. Appeal has been filed through the mosque's caretaker Qazi Moinuddin. Remember, High Court had struck down a 2003 ASI arrangement that allowed Muslims to offer Friday prayers, ruling that Hindus have the exclusive right to worship at this site. Coming to your question, the lawyers representing petitioners have in fact cast doubts over the fairness of the ASI report, the defects in the ASI survey, and lack of evidence over a destruction of a Saraswati temple. Referring to the historical record, senior advocate Salman Khurshid had argued in the High Court that there was no direct evidence that Bhojshala temple had been demolished to construct the Kamal Maula Mosque. He also had alleged irregularities in the handling of artifacts recovered during the survey. Referring to a sealed room within the complex that had been under collector's control since 1997, he had claimed objects recovered there appeared suspiciously clean. When archaeological things are retrieved from the ground, there has to be a lot of soil attached to those. So he suggested that those artifacts may have been planted. But ultimately, the High Court had ruled against the Muslim side, in fact, High Court has cited historical literature, archaeological material, and architectural evidence, and ruled in favor of the Hindu side. So we'll have to wait and watch.
So now it remains to be seen how the Supreme Court responds to this. But thank you, Harish, for giving us those details.